Magic bean! Hello there! Have you ever imagined a beanstalk up to the clouds? Maybe you do, maybe you're not. So, on this special occasion, I would like to tell you a fairy tale entitled Jack and the Beanstalk. So, before I tell you this fairy tale, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Lilis Ayuni Hidayatullah from SMP Negeri 5 Denpasar. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, lived a boy named Jack. Jack lived with his mother in a tiny cottage. They were very poor. Jack was a good boy, but he also a silly boy. One day, Jack's mother asked her son to take their cow to the market. And then she said, "We have nothing all to eat and no money. Jack, we have to sell Daisy," said his mother. Of course, after Jack listened his mother's words, Jack fed Daisy, brushed her, put a ring bell around her neck, and then set her off to the market. But when Jack and Daisy had not gone very far before they met a strange-looking man with a suitcase. "Hello, young man. What a lovely cow you've got. If you give her to me, you can have these magic beans," said the stranger. What happened to Daisy the next? Magic beans? How exciting! I will take them! Magic bean! But when Jack got home and showed his mother the beans, she was very angry. "How dare you! You traded our only cow for these ridiculous beans!" said his mother to Jack. She was very angry. And then Jack, "But they're magic beans," Jack replied to his mom. "They're not magic, you silly boy," said his mother, and then she threw away the beans out of the windows before sending Jack to bed without dinner. In the next morning, Jack found the beanstalk half grown up to the clouds. He decided to climb the beanstalk and found himself in a land high above the clouds. Suddenly, he discovered a castle and walked up to the castle. Right away, a little mouse ran up to Jack. "This is giant castle! He's so scary!" said the little mouse. And then Jack, "I'm not afraid of giant. I'm going to have to look around," said Jack. And Jack walked up to inside the castle. But he found the giant and his wife lived together. Jack had a goose that laid a golden egg and magical harp that played beautiful music. Jack stole the goose and the magical harp. But as he was leaving, the harp cried out, "Help me, Mama Sue! A human is stealing me!" Alerting the giant chased Jack down. But Jack was quickly climbed down and got the beanstalk. The giant fell to his death, and Jack with his mother were able to live well provided by the golden eggs. The end. The voice that were never heard. The story of Jack and the Beanstalk teaches us to be brave, creative, and not afraid to take risks when we face problems. It also reminds us not to be greedy and show us that stealing is wrong and has bad consequences. That's all of fairy tale Jack and the Beanstalk. Thank you for listening to me. See you on the next story. Bye bye.